Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Emporio Armani watch. So this is going to be a quartz watch that features the date complication here at 6 o'clock. There are going to be a few key principles that we need to follow in order to make sure that we set the date and time correctly, and also that we do not damage the watch. Something that you need to know is that the date wheel, so the wheel that changes the date, is going to engage between 9 and 12 o'clock. So as you can see right now, so between 11 and 12, the date already started to shift a little, so to move a little, and this means that the wheel that changes the date is now engaged in changing the date. So if I attempt to change the date while the date wheel is engaged, there is a big chance that I can actually damage the watch, so that exact wheel. So what we want to do is to make sure that the watch hands are not between 9 and 12 o'clock, or if you have a date complication, they shouldn't be between 9 and 12 or between 12 and 3 o'clock. Now the easiest way to remember is to first set the time at 6:30 because you are going to have both of your watch hands in the lower part of the dial. Usually the date window is going to be at 3 o'clock. So because we have it at 6 o'clock, I'm going to make it, let's say, 6 and 35 in order to have the minute hand not cover the date window. And in this position, I am safe. So I am out of the area where the date wheel can be engaged, and this lower part of the dial is considered a safe zone for both quartz and mechanical watches. In this position, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and now we are going to first set the date, and then we are going to set the time. So the second principle is to set the date, but we are going to set it 1 day prior to our actual end goal, so that we can go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock manually and arrive on our desired date, and we can select AM or PM. So let me show you that as well. I'm going to pull the crown to the first position, and here I'm going to change the date, and let's presume that my end goal is to make it the 15th of the month. I'm going to make it the 14th, so 1 day prior to my actual end goal. So 11, 12, 13, and now we are on the 14th. As I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 15th. So I'm going to leave it at the 14th. And now the third thing that we want to do is to pull the crown once again to the last position, and now go manually past 12 o'clock until the date changes. As you can see, the date did not change because we were AM, and now since I am PM, the date is going to change, just like that. And now I can make it 3 AM, so 3 in the morning. In case I want to be PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again, and you will see that the date will not change, as you can see right now, and that is because we are now on the 15th and it is going to be 3 PM. So this is why we are going to first set the date 1 day prior, and then we are going to set the time so that we can arrive on the correct date, so my desired date, and I can select AM or PM. So guys, this is going to be how you set the time and date on your Emporio Armani watch. In order to finalize the process, we are going to push the crown all the way back in, and we are done. You can apply this tutorial to other watch brands as well. And in case you have a different, let's say, watch, a chronograph, an automatic, a mechanical, you can watch the rest of the tutorials that I have on this YouTube channel. So make sure to check out the rest of our videos as well. Thank you guys for watching. In case you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. And also, if you would like to purchase a vintage watch or a pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this model right here. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.